Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1966 Corvette Roadster. It's finished in Mosport green. We got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
We're doing well.
Good. So you inherited it from your uncle or?
From my father-in-law.
From your father-in-law.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So you've owned it for a while, right?
I've had it down here. It was bought up in Kingston from Jim Glass Autos in Kingston, New York.
Okay.
Brought it down here in 2009. Garage kept. General maintenance and cleaning. No major work since we had it. The father-in-law purchased it in 2003. In 2007, there was a complete engine rebuild.
327, 300, numbers matching.
300, numbers matching. All original except for one coat of paint with the original color.
Yeah, Mosport's pretty rare. A lot of these were changed to black and silver and whatnot back in the day. So there's not many Mosports around. It's one of my favorite colors, right next to Lindale Blue. Very nice straight body, no accidents. All the bonding strips are intact. Very, very good fitment of all the panels. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Got bolt-ons on there. It's like a 2-inch wide white, 205 75 R15s and radials. There's clear lenses in the back. Looks like the interior is original, right?
Yes, it is original, as you can see. Wear and tear.
A little spot on the seat, but I like the originality of it.
Absolutely.
You could always replace those. Al Knock makes a great
Teak steering wheel.
Teak wheel, man. It's killer. Love it. This isn't a simulated wheel. This is a real deal wheel.
Correct.
A lot of the times you'll see simulated wheels, but I like the real deal. Beautiful door panels. Original seat belts. 47,326 miles. Do you know if that's correct? It is, huh? Awesome.
Yes, it is correct.
Beautiful. AM FM radio. Looks like vintage sound was added. 4-speed. Power antenna. It's got a white top. You can see the photos of that on the main website. I'd almost say the carpet's original.
My understanding that they are.
I think they are. Man, so pretty. Let's fire it up. It's hot here today. It's gotta be 100 degrees. 327, 300 horse, numbers matching. Beautiful block. All the correct shielding and clamps. Flat black under the hood. Looks like he replaced the radiator. Correct radiator. Looks like a new radiator too, right? That's the correct radiator. Very cool. Can you open the headlights? That one's a little lazy. That's all right. And there they go. Beautiful. And bring them back down again. Cool. Go for a quick ride? Damn, what a pretty color. Off-road exhaust. Sounds good, man, right?
Oh yeah.
I'll take off-road exhaust and nothing else. recent work?
No, just
it's been pretty reliable,
rebuilt the fuel pump last year. All original parts.
Cool.
But no, other than that.
These are pretty reliable. Only 300 horse motor, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of bulletproof. Man, it sounds so good. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.